Are you looking for the best hunting deer carts? Check out our top 5 picks. These swings are sure to please, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Hawk Crawler Multi-Use Folding Cart. Experience Hawk Crawler Multi-Use Folding Cart. Versatile outdoor cart. Game cart helps you pull heavy loads of stumps, logs, rocks, or anything else in your way with 360-degree dual pivoting axles feature. 4 all-terrain tires provide maximum convenience and stability. Durable sling. Easily haul game, gear, or heavy loads with the high-strength utility Hawk Crawler deer cart with Textiline Duramesh material that supports up to 500 pounds.
Product number 2. Kill Shot Deer Hunting Folding Game Cart. Experience Kill Shot Deer Hunting Folding Game Cart 500-pound capacity with 16-inch rubber wheels for hauling deer. 500 lb load capacity. High-strength steel construction with a brown powder coat supports up to 500 pounds. This hunting cart can easily handle deer or hunting gear. Side braces on the frame help keep loads securely in place. 16-inch rubber wheels. Heavy-duty 3/4-inch steel axle with 16-inch wheels navigate over rough terrain, making it easier to travel through various terrains like the woods, beach, or hilly areas. Suitable for travel on different road surfaces like gravel, grass, sand.
Product number 3. Hawk Crawler Deer Cart. Experience Hawk Crawler Deer Cart. Strength and stability. The Crawler Deer Cart is designed to be strong, stable, and perfect for carrying heavy loads in tough terrain. Innovative axle. Featuring the patent-pending dual rotating axles that allow the cart to crawl over large obstacles. All-terrain capability. The 4 all-terrain tires and oversized tubing ensure optimal balance and weight distribution during use.
Product number 4. Guide Gear Deluxe Deer Cart. Experience Guide Gear Deluxe Deer Cart. Deer Cart, our wheeled cart, is perfect for transporting large game and deer after a hunt. Includes 3 lashing straps for secure attachment. Durable. The Guide Gear Deer Hunting Cart features a durable stainless steel frame and smart design which centers the weight over the axle for easier movement.
Product number 5. Beaver Game Cart for Hunting. Experience Beaver Game Cart for Hunting. High load capacity. Built with a 0.98-inch or 24.8 millimeter thick aluminum frame, this game cart supports up to 500 pounds or 227 kilograms. Strong and reliable, it resists wear and corrosion, making it suitable for transporting heavy hunting gear, game, or other loads. Shock-absorbing tires. Equipped with 4 pneumatic wide tires, this deer cart minimizes bounce and tipping for smooth movement on rough terrain. The hook pins use a ring buckle design, delivering greater stability and detachment than straight hooks.